I'm reading today from Endangered and Extinct Invertebrates by Jennifer Boothroyd with permission from Learner Publications. I've chosen this book for this week because we are talking all about invertebrate animals, and I wanted to let you know a little bit about what invertebrate animals are. So it's a certain group of animals, and it includes more than just insects. So we're not just learning about insects this month, it's different types of invertebrate animals. So let's start with this page on what invertebrates are. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. There are many types of invertebrates. These animals are invertebrates. So there's a worm, a dragonfly, a tarantula, a little crab. Some invertebrates are in trouble. They are endangered. Endangered animals are in danger of dying out. The Delta green ground beetle is endangered. Endangered invertebrates. Greek red damsels are bright red. This insect is also endangered. The damsels live by streams. They eat small insects. Polluted waters are dangerous for Greek red damsels. What's sitting on that leaf? It's an Oahu tree snail. It lives in a mountain forest. Not many Oahu tree snails are left. The snails are small. Their shells have different colors. This scientist is releasing an endangered snail into its natural environment. Staghorn coral lives in the ocean. The coral is endangered. So this is another type of invertebrate animal. Tiny algae live on coral. The coral gets its food from the algae. Water that is too warm or too cold can harm the coral. This coral is not healthy. The pink velvet worm has fuzzy skin. Pink velvet worms live under dead leaves in a forest similar to this one. The worms live in Weza-Nagel forest in South Africa. Their habitat is getting smaller. People built roads and cut down trees. The worms are in trouble. White-clawed crayfish live in streams. They are found in Europe. This crayfish's claws are white underneath. The crayfish hide under rocks and tree roots. They eat small fish and insects. The white-clawed crayfish population is shrinking. These people are working on a project to help save them. Extinct invertebrates. Meganeura are extinct. They have completely died out. These insects lived millions of years ago. This dragonfly was huge. Some had wingspans over 61 centimeters long. Trilobites lived in the ocean. They had hard outer shells. Trilobites died out 240 million years ago. People learn about trilobites from fossils. Fossils are hardened remains of animals or plants. There were 20,000 kinds of trilobites. Here are just a few. Ammonites lived deep in the ocean. They went extinct 65 million years ago. This animal's shell protected its soft body. The largest of these animals were 9 feet or 3 meters across. Some ammonites were small. Others were very big. Aldabra banded snails had striped shells. The last snail was found in 1997. Aldabra banded snails were once easy to find on Aldabra Islands near Africa. The land where the snails lived dried up. Not enough rain fell. The snails died off. Scientists ask questions and do experiments to discover things like why certain animals go extinct. Arcuate pearly mussels lived in the United States. They are extinct. Mussels have soft bodies inside hard shells. This is a Higgins eye pearly mussel. These mussels lived in rivers. They ate algae. Arcuate pearly mussels have not been seen since 2000. Helping endangered invertebrates. Many people try to help endangered invertebrates. They remove invasive plants. These are plants that can harm other plants and animals in an area. People also clean up the land where endangered invertebrates live. Clean land helps invertebrates survive. These people help by picking up trash. What you can do. There are many things you can do to help endangered invertebrates. Clean up trash from land and water, walk, bike, or ride the bus instead of using a car, remove invasive plants, learn about climate change, recycle things to create less trash. Don't use chemicals on your lawn or garden. Support zoos and other animal organizations. A remarkable recovery. The ladybird spider lives in England. There were fewer than 50 of these spiders in 1993. Too many invasive plants were in their habitat. Many people helped remove the plants. The spider's habitat grew healthier. More than 1,000 ladybird spiders were found in 2008.